Hi guys, my name is Alex and today I would like to tell you about my top 3 dark themes for Visual Studio Code. So let me show you the first one. It's Ayu Next. So this is very beautiful dark theme, very contrasty, and also there is the icon pack which is also included into the theme, and you could check another Ayu themes. There are a lot of them, like Ayu Dark Bordered, Ayu Mirage, sorry for my pronunciation, Ayu Mahau, Ayu Next, one. So the next is my favorite from this series. So the next theme, it's Xcode 10 Coffee. This theme inspired by default code editor for iOS, macOS, Xcode, but in a bit different color palette. But it's quite beautiful theme and I very like it. So it's very lightweight for your eyes when you coding at night. So and the last but not least, this very popular theme, and I'm using it for 5 years if I'm not mistaken, Panda Syntax. So the most cool thing here that when something wrong in your code, some errors, it is highlighting it quite quite bold, I would say, yeah, and you definitely will see those exceptions that you have, and the color palette itself a very pleasure, and it is very comfortable to work at night as well, very contrasty and great. So this is it, that's my top 3 dark theme, but yeah, the favorite one is definitely Ayu Next, and I'm totally in love with this dark theme. So I prepared links for you from Visual Studio Marketplace for those themes, so you will be able to install and check on your devices. Yeah, thank you for watching, and guys, please let me know about your favorite themes. Let's discuss. Definitely I will see something quite interesting in the comments and will check in my code editor your themes. So yeah, let's discuss this topic in the comments. We'll be waiting for your feedback. And yeah, thank you for watching. Definitely subscribe and do not forget about Discord in the description below. Have a nice evening. Bye.